Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? Well, Becky's filming. We won a giveaway on a lady's vlog that we follow, and actually she winds up following us. It's a Southern Sassy Mama. She has like a little cooking show.
Oh, so good.
And the stuff on there is so fantastic. And it's really easy stuff that she makes. So it's like, so a lot of the stuff is like 3-4 ingredients, stuff like that. But everything she makes is fantastic. But anyway, I won a giveaway. And she shipped us a box. So I'm going to open the box here for you guys, okay? So I already undid the tape, and then I'm like, we should vlog this. So, but I haven't looked at anything inside yet. So
does it even count if it's not vlogged?
No, it doesn't count if it's not vlogged.
I didn't think so.
So got a card that says, "Hey y'all."
Hey y'all. Love that southern drawl.
Yep, I do. Hi Matt, Becky, and kids. Congrats on winning the giveaway. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do yours. Sincerely, Southern Sassy Mama.
We do. We do enjoy yours quite a bit.
Okay, so there is, man, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so we got, is it Eco? It's
Echo.
Echo. We got measuring cups.
Oh.
Just so you know, Southern Sassy Mama, Becky's going to enjoy this stuff.
Oh.
Betty Crocker scissors.
Kitchen shears.
Kitchen shears, love them. I do some cooking, not as much as Becky though.
You should do more.
Look at these.
Ooh.
Josh Kappen collection. It's a bunch of measuring spoons.
Oh, love them.
Nice.
Please don't.
Okay. We got a 3-piece kitchen set, a Terry kitchen towel, pot holder, and an oven mitt.
Oh, those are so
Look
cute.
at that. Bake, stir, measure. Oh, that's awesome.
Very cute.
Okay, what else we got in here? Oh, Becky. Oh, Becky. Well, I'm seeing two things here that's just awesome. Okay, first off, we got a Georgia magnet.
Oh, yay!
She's from Georgia. Oh my gosh, awesome. Something for the refrigerator. And look at this, Becky. 4-piece baking set.
Oh!
Muffin pans and pans on like a
That's awesome, because I got to make cookies tonight.
Oh.
I got to make some orange blossom shortbread cookies tonight for book club.
That is awesome. And one last thing. 4-piece creative.
Oh, I can get rid of the crap ones that I have.
It's an all-purpose spatula, a whisk, a basting brush, and pointed spatula.
Look at a basting brush that you're not going to stir Kool-Aid with.
Whenever I make Kool-Aid or tea, I use the basting brush because I found out that that's like the best stir ever.
Yeah, because
we make them like 4 quarts at a time. But wow, this is so awesome. Thank you
cool. Thank you
so much, Southern Sassy Mama. I'm going to put a link to her vlog down below. So go click on her, go subscribe, and like all of her stuff. Like I said, it's amazing stuff. She makes the easiest stuff, but it's so fun and good. So thanks again. I really appreciate it. This is so cool. We're going to use everything, believe me.
Oh, yeah. Today.
So, yeah, and we're going to use some of it today. So, all right. As always, if you like what you see, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans? Say goodbye, Becky.
Bye, Becky.